Richard has worked in sales for some 20 years. As a sales manager, he is struggling to perform his maximum in the best interests of his company. He notices that the exchange of information between the different management tools is flawed, and this affects the customer experience badly. Richard wants a tool that could help him to improve customer traceability and tracking, and to lead to higher turnover. After a painstaking search, Richard finally found a complete platform providing solutions to all these challenges. Its name, Traction. Thanks to the software Traction, he has reported quick and clear business results. Indeed, the digital display update of products, as well as the performance statistics, have been successful. Richard is now able to track his sales team during the entire transaction. Better yet, thanks to the call and other digital request recording technology, he can monitor all communication. As for Danny, who is part of Richard's sales team, he is responsible for monitoring and dealing with all incoming requests. But Danny is overwhelmed. What's the result? He fails to get properly organized. Thanks to Traction technology, everybody is happy. Danny now has a tool that can unify in real time all these communications for each of his clients. Also, Richard can consult Danny's work progress and can offer his quick and dynamic help. Richard can advertise on the selling platforms online. He is also able to follow his sales team, thanks to a visual and fun interface. He has become more effective at sending reminders to customers. In addition, the communication recording technology and the sales pipeline analysis by stage are vital for optimal tracing. Thanks to Traction, Richard and Danny have significantly increased their conversion rate within just a few months. Traction is the perfect software to improve your performance, help you work smarter, grow your business, and increase your revenue on a reliable platform.